confession to do with y'all. So, one of my friends texted me, and it's not pretty normal as used to. So, how does she know that? Oh my god. So, if y'all have any information or you're friends with her on Roblox, okay, let me show her account real quick. Roxy. This is her account. So if y'all are friends with her, please give me or comment some information about her, because I need to know. Really, just really. So thank you. So we're gonna send information and stuff, like this type of stuff. So thank you very much. We haven't been online for like a year now, so I was worried about her and wondering if y'all have an incident about that. So thank you.